Changes around us, Class 6, Chapter 6. Effect of heating and cooling on substances or object. Children, heat is a form of energy. When we heat a substance, then that substance gains energy and some changes occur in it. Like it may expand in size, or you can say its size increases on heating and decreases on cooling. Change in the size of object or expansion. On heating, substances increases in size, and this kind of change is called expansion, and the object is said to be expanded. When we heat any object, then its size increases, and that object is called expanded object because its size is increases. Now expansion can take place in all the three states of matter, means solid, liquid and gases. In all three states of matter, expansion of the substance take place. Contraction. On cooling, the size of the materials decreases, and the size of the material decreases, so this is called contraction. The materials or the object, their size become less. In solids, most of the solids expands on heating, but on cooling they come back to their original size, and this is advantageous for fitting iron rim on the wooden wheel. For example, iron tools, they are fitted in their wooden handles by heating. On heating, the tools expand and the wooden handle fixes easily inside the ring, but on cooling, the tools contract and this makes the handle fit tightly. Same happens with the wooden wheel. The iron rim, its size is less than the wooden wheel. When the iron rim is heated, it expands in sizes and easily fit on the wooden wheel. And on cooling, it tightly fit on the wooden wheel. Liquids. In liquids, liquids also expand on heating and contract or come back to their original level on cooling. We have seen in our daily life, your mother, when boiled milk, then the milk expand and sometimes it also come out of the container, and if you are not switching off the burner, and when it cools, then it come back to its previous level. Mercury, it is a liquid metal, it also expand on heating, and this property, because the mercury expand on heating, so this is used in making of thermometer. In thermometer, mercury is used. In gases, gases also expand on heating and contract on cooling. For example, if you keep an inflated balloon in bright sunlight, then it might burst because the air inside the balloon, it expand, exert pressure, and because of that pressure the balloon burst. Okay, so heat of the sun, this expand the air inside the balloon which makes the balloon burst. So that is the expansion of gases also. Change in hardness of object. Heating also changes the hardness of object. Many solid objects, they become soft on heating, and that's why a blacksmith makes tools of iron on heating till red hot. Matlab he heat up the iron objects till red hot, then iron becomes soft and can be easily beaten into any shape. So the tools can be easily made by the soft iron, and on cooling they become hard again. Change in physical state of substances due to heat. Effect of heat. Melting, evaporation and condensation. These are the three examples of physical change. By these processes, physical change of the substances take place. You can see from the example, ice on heating changes into water. That is ice melting. That is the melting process. And the water on heating changes into water vapor. That is vaporization. Water vapors, when they are cool, then they change into liquid state, condensation. And the liquids on cooling changes into solid state. That is the freezing process. So these all processes take place due to the heat.